High in the mountains of northern Pakistan, nestled within the rugged terrain of the Hazara region, lies a valley of breathtaking beauty. This is a place where the raw, untamed beauty of nature is on full display, offering a glimpse into a world that feels untouched by time. This is ROH, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered, a place where the landscape tells a story of ancient times and the air is filled with the whispers of history. Situated within the administrative division of Gari Habibullah, ROH is a sanctuary of peace and serenity. Here, the hustle and bustle of modern life feels like a distant memory, replaced by the gentle rhythms of nature. It is a place where the magnificence of nature unfolds before your eyes, captivating your senses and soothing your soul. The valley's beauty is not just in its vistas, but in the way it makes you feel. Calm, centered, and connected to the earth. ROH is a world away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to truly appreciate the simple pleasures of life. The air is clean and crisp, invigorating your senses with every breath. The mornings are especially magical, with the first light of dawn painting the valley in hues of gold and pink. The silence is broken only by the sound of birdsong and the gentle whisper of the wind. It's a symphony of nature that soothes the mind and rejuvenates the spirit. For those seeking solace in the embrace of nature, ROH offers an unforgettable experience. Whether you're hiking through its serene landscapes or meditating by a tranquil stream, the valley provides a perfect backdrop for reflection and relaxation. The journey to ROH is an adventure in itself. The winding roads that lead you there are filled with scenic views that make every moment of the trip worthwhile. Winding roads take you through picturesque landscapes, each turn revealing a new vista more stunning than the last. It's a journey that prepares you for the beauty that awaits. As you ascend into the mountains, the air grows cooler and a sense of anticipation builds. The higher you go, the more you feel the excitement of discovering something truly special. Upon arriving in ROH, you are greeted by a sight that will take your breath away. The stunning natural scenery, the awe-inspiring mountain landscape, and the serene atmosphere combine to create a truly magical experience.
The Aznali Hills stand as guardians of the valley, their majestic presence a testament to nature's grandeur. Their towering peaks pierce the sky, reaching heights that seem to touch the heavens. Covered in lush green forests, these hills are a sight to behold, a verdant paradise that invites exploration. The slopes are adorned with a vibrant tapestry of wildflowers, each petal adding a splash of color to the landscape. Their colors explode in a riotous display of beauty, creating a natural mosaic that is simply breathtaking. The air is filled with the sweet scent of pine and cedar, a fragrance that invigorates the senses and soothes the soul. Breathing in this fresh, crisp air calms the mind, offering a moment of peace and tranquility. The Aznali Hills are not just a feast for the eyes, they are a sanctuary for the spirit. They also offer a playground for adventure enthusiasts, with countless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Hiking trails snake their way through the forests, leading adventurers to hidden gems and secret spots. These trails lead to hidden waterfalls and panoramic viewpoints, each more stunning than the last. The climb can be challenging, testing your endurance and determination. But the reward of reaching the summit is well worth the effort, offering a sense of accomplishment and awe. From the top, you can gaze out over the entire valley, a view that stretches as far as the eye can see. Taking in the breathtaking scenery, you feel a connection to the land and its timeless beauty. The world seems to stretch out before you, a vast expanse of mountains and valleys painted in hues of green and blue. It is a sight that will stay with you long after you have left ROH, a memory etched in your heart. The Aznali Hills are a testament to the beauty and majesty of nature, a place where the soul can find peace and inspiration. Flowing through the heart of ROH is the Kunhar River, its crystal-clear waters a source of life and beauty. Fed by the glaciers of the Himalayas, the Kunhar River winds its way through the valley, its turquoise waters sparkling in the sunlight. The river is a lifeline for the local communities, providing water for irrigation and sustaining a rich ecosystem. The Kunhar River is also a hub for recreation and adventure. Boating enthusiasts can paddle along its gentle currents, enjoying the tranquility of the surroundings. The sound of the water lapping against the boat and the sight of fish leaping from the water create a symphony of nature's music. For those seeking a more adrenaline-pumping experience, the Kunhar River offers opportunities for whitewater rafting. The river's rapids provide an exhilarating challenge, testing the skills and courage of even the most experienced rafters. Whether you prefer a leisurely boat ride, or an adrenaline-fueled adventure, the Kunhar River promises an unforgettable experience. ROH is a paradise for nature lovers, a place where the beauty of the natural world is on full display. The region is home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna, making it a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and bird watchers. From vibrant wildflowers that paint the meadows in a riot of colors to the dense forests that provide shelter to countless species, ROH is a living tapestry of nature's wonders. The forests are teeming with life, from the majestic Himalayan black bear to the elusive snow leopard. These creatures roam freely in their natural habitats, offering a rare glimpse into the wild heart of this region. Colorful birds flit among the trees, their songs filling the air with the melody of nature. Birdwatchers can spend hours observing these feathered wonders, each species adding its unique note to the symphony of the forest. For those who enjoy exploring on foot, ROH offers a network of hiking trails that wind through the forests and up into the hills. These trails vary in difficulty, catering to both casual walkers and seasoned hikers. These trails offer a chance to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the region, breathing in the fresh mountain air and listening to the sounds of the forest. Each step brings a new perspective, a new vista to marvel at. Along the trails, you may encounter shepherds tending to their flocks, their melodic calls echoing through the valleys. These shepherds have been part of the landscape for generations, their way of life intertwined with the rhythms of nature. You may also come across ancient shrines and temples, a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. These sacred sites offer a glimpse into the spiritual life of the people who have called ROH home for centuries. Each step you take in ROH is a journey of discovery, revealing the hidden wonders of this natural paradise. Whether it's a breathtaking view, a rare animal sighting, or a moment of quiet reflection, ROH offers an experience that stays with you long after you've left.
Section 5. The resilient people of ROH. The people of ROH are as warm and welcoming as the valley itself. Predominantly inhabited by the Swati tribe, known for their hospitality and rich cultural traditions, ROH offers a glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. The Swati people are known for their intricate handicrafts, including colorful shawls, carpets, and wooden carvings. Visitors to ROH can purchase these unique souvenirs, supporting the local economy and taking home a piece of the region's cultural heritage. Life in ROH is not without its challenges. The region is prone to natural disasters, including earthquakes and landslides. Despite these adversities, the people of ROH have shown incredible resilience, rebuilding their lives and communities with unwavering determination. Section 6. Rebuilding after tragedy. In 2005, a devastating earthquake struck the region, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. ROH was among the areas hardest hit by the disaster. Homes were destroyed, livelihoods were lost, and the valley was plunged into mourning. In the aftermath of the earthquake, the people of ROH came together with remarkable spirit and resilience. With the support of aid organizations and the government, they began the arduous task of rebuilding their lives. Schools and hospitals were reconstructed, homes were rebuilt, and the valley slowly began to heal. The earthquake, while a tragedy, also served as a catalyst for positive change in ROH. It brought the community closer together, fostering a spirit of cooperation and mutual support. It also highlighted the importance of disaster preparedness and the need for sustainable development practices.
Section 7. ROH beckons, a journey of discovery. ROH is a destination that has something to offer everyone. Whether you are an adventure enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply seeking a peaceful escape from the chaos of city life, ROH will captivate your senses and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. The valley is easily accessible from major cities in Pakistan, including Islamabad and Peshawar. Well-maintained roads lead to ROH, making it a comfortable journey by car. There are also local transport options available, including buses and shared taxis. Upon arriving in ROH, you will find a range of accommodation options to suit your budget and preferences. From cozy guest houses run by local families to more upscale hotels, ROH offers a comfortable stay for every traveler.
Section 8. Protecting Paradise, a shared responsibility. As ROH gains popularity as a tourist destination, it is essential to preserve its natural beauty and cultural heritage for generations to come. Responsible tourism is crucial to ensure that the valley's fragile ecosystem and unique way of life are not compromised. Visitors to ROH are encouraged to minimize their environmental impact by practicing leave no trace principles. This includes packing out all trash, respecting wildlife, and staying on designated trails. Supporting local businesses and engaging with the community in a respectful manner are also essential aspects of responsible tourism. By working together, we can ensure that ROH remains a pristine paradise, where both visitors and locals can benefit from its natural beauty and cultural richness. Let us tread lightly upon this hidden gem, preserving its magic for generations to come. ROH is a testament to the resilience of nature and the human spirit, a place where beauty and tranquility reign supreme.